Alright guys, we're doing some creek fishing for smallmouth again. Now we're going to be throwing around spinners and Ned rig just like we were the other day. We should definitely hook into some bigger fish at this place. So, we're going to get to it. Alright guys, got one. I think it's this largemouth. Yep, largemouth. A little largemouth right there. You got it good too. Really good. Fat guy right there. Alright guys, I got one. That thing almost pulled the rod out of my hands. It pulled it so hard. Little guy. First smallmouth. See if we can get another. There we go, another one. Oh, dang it, he popped off. Stop it, stop it. It's a nice one. Well, there he goes. There we go. Nice one. Set the hook into this one good. It's a nice one right there. The spot is loaded. The spot we're at right now is a real big pool, and Garrett's fishing the other side of it, and I'm just fishing this little where the current dumps in.
Alright guys, so I'm rocking that jig head right there. It's a Z-Man TRD jig head. And then on the back of that, I'm using the Z-Man TRD Tube Z. Tubes with a Z. So just thread it up on there. And I bent the weed guards down so when they bite it I can just jack them and I don't have to worry about them I don't have to worry about not getting them because of the weed guards. So alright, let's get in the water. And all we're doing is just bouncing them off the bottom. There's one. Alright guys, you can see these guys are pretty darn dark down here. And that's what I caught them on. So, get the release. Alright, let's get another one. Today. There's another one right there. Oh, I hope I got that. Oh, this is a decent one. There's that one, guys. That's a pretty good one. So, there's that guy. Alright, let's get another one. Falling. Oh yeah, there's one, guys. Oh, he's running right towards me. It's another good one. Oh, he broke my line. No! Oh, guys, he broke my line. No. Alright, I'll get back to you guys whenever I retie. Alright, guys, I got one. It's a big one. I was on the phone with my dad. We're leaving in like 20 minutes. This is a super nice one for this creek. And he just came off right there. No.
Did you get it?
No. Lost him right there. I was talking to my dad and I had my tube in the water. Oh man.
There we go. Got this one. They are stacked in here. Another one right there. Nice pretty one. There he goes. Let's catch another. Got one. Pretty good one. That might be my biggest one. I don't know. It's a nice one right there. Pretty good one. There we go.
We gotta leave in like 15 minutes. Holy crap. Alright guys, I'm ending it right there because I don't have any more jig heads. Snapped them all off today. And we gotta leave in about 15 minutes, so maybe I'll just go up and film Joel for a little bit. But yeah, so I'm gonna end it there. But I do want to give you guys a quick tip before I do end it. Alright, so if you see like right in there, like where that water's coming out, on this side of that water, it's like a channel runs through, and then it'll eddy right at the corner of that wall. So if you guys have a scenario like this, just cast right by that corner of that wall. So let it sit there, jig it up a couple times, and usually you'll get a fish slam it. Or like there's a huge rock out in here. So if you just would throw it out on that rock and drag it off into that creek, it would just be, you'll get a fish basically. And that water comes out and it's gonna stop, like, there's not to be a ton of momentum here in the middle. Cast right in there, let that thing sit for a little bit, jig it up and down, and you'll get one slam it. That's what happened when I was talking with my dad. I was just talking to him, and then boom, I got a bite and I lost it because I didn't get a good hook set in it because it started pulling me. And you saw I had it right there. I had a hold of it, but it just got away. So, but we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.